In this tutorial we are going to build a scrolling animation guys through the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see that we have made a scrolling animation just like as an example. You can customize on the basis of your content. So as you can see that we made a simple content as if I scroll that, see that scrolling will be coming from animation from left and also coming from right. So we want this is the simple project going to be. So watch it carefully till the end how we made this and what should we have to do. So watch it carefully till the last time. Don't we think like it's hard and tough. It's going to be a simple project, you can easily make them. So just you have to do watch carefully and follow the every step. So just let's start guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and support us. Let us start with the HTML guys. So you can write the basic syntax of a HTML. As you can see that in my video I have written already HTML syntax. So you can also write a HTML syntax easily. I'll write the HTML titles, scrolling animation. As per your project you can write your titles, and this was the basic, you know very well how to write the HTML. So you can also see that channel, you can write them if you don't know to starting. So you can check it carefully and watch everything, every step by step how I did that, how I working with that. So you can do it carefully and don't miss any step, because if you leave any type of a step, you're going to be some mistake and not if your project maybe not be work. So don't we leave that any step. If you facing any types of error related this project, you can comment also. If you need a source code, so you can comment scrolling animation. I will send you the source code of this project. So guys, you can also support our channel. We are making a video related to the project. You can check our playlist. We have challenged that 100 day of 100 project. So you can check our other project also if you are interested. We also making video related to the Linux, Windows and the other types of issue. You can check our playlist and the others videos also guys, and please support our channel to motivate us, and I will make this type of project daily, and I will also bring more interesting project related to the HTML, CSS and other programming language. So keep support guys, we need a support. So you can start typing the CSS. It's for the simple CSS, so you can know very well how to write them. So you can easily customize. If you need only a scrolling animation, you can also skip to the scrolling animation part. Let's watch it carefully and follow the every step what I am writing. So you can see that what I made, that inside is showing that how I did that. So it carefully and made this project carefully.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? What all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Oh, I don't wanna make it all about me again. And I don't even know half the things you said. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, or 10 more minutes with you.
I hope guys completed this project carefully and you follow the every step as per my video. Face any type of issue related this project, you can comment. I can help you. So you can just see that if you facing any problem, you can see my project is already working in the right side. You can see that. So you just support our channel, bro. You can see that if you we are making a video related to the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can check our playlist of my ABR challenge of 100 day and 100 project. I already told you that, so just support us. And guys, some audio problems are also, so you can just compromise them. We will fix it in the next video. I will try to fix this problem. So maybe your project I think completed now, so you can check them, it's working. So what's your project according to you can customize them. It's why just for the example you can see that I have not be made any type of big project. As an example I show. So thank you guys. So just support our channels until the last and don't forget to subscribe us and also give comment if a video was helpful for you. So just support and give comment and like. Thank you. Thanks.